Yes. What's going on? This has been AKA Day Trading Addict, and I have another good video for you guys. Today, we're going to talk about 7 amazing scalping trading tips that will help you become a better scalper. So let's get into the content. If you're new, hit that subscribe button, hit those like buttons, because over here, what I do, I help struggling traders get to the next level. Because I know if you're looking at these charts right now, sometimes trading, it can be hard. Okay, I've been trading these markets for 13 years, so I'm the guy that's going to help you take your trading career to the next level. So please hit that subscribe button, hit those like buttons. Shout out to all my addicts out there, because you know I'm not the only one that's addicted to these markets. So let's get into the content. Okay, so the first tip we're going to talk about today is don't fall in love with your trade or bias. Okay, when you are scalping and you open up your chart and you see, okay, the market is bullish, and automatically you're looking for longs. But not only that, okay, you're saying to yourself, oh wow, this is a nice trend. I can see this go all the way up to this level right here, and you're so convinced that price will hit this level. So all you're doing right now is looking for longs. But you have to understand, if you are a scalper, you have to be able to change your bias if the market is not going your way. So let's say that the market is going up right here and you're seeing price start to fall. Okay, we are below this moving average and you're seeing price going down. So right now, a lot of new traders, they look at this and say, price is just going down a little bit, and they start buying right here, okay? And then price goes down again. And they say, you know what? I think, price will keep going up. So they start buying, okay? And they have a little profit right here. So they take their profits right here. And then they look at this and say, you know what? This thing looks like it's going to go back to my level that I had earlier. So they keep buying, and guess what? The market goes down, okay? And it goes down. So they get out and they say, nah, you know what? I still think this market is bullish. I'm going to keep buying. And you have to understand, when you're scalping, you can't go against the market. You can't go against what the market is doing right now. You have to be able to switch your bias and then go from there, because you don't know if the market is going to go up. Okay, if you say things like, I know the market is going to go up, or it's impossible for the market to go down, those are red flags. And usually new traders say things like that. You don't know anything. I don't know anything. I've been doing this for 13 years. I don't know if the market's going to go up. I don't know if the market's going to go down. Just by looking at the technicals, I could say, you know what, it's a strong possibility. Okay, it's a strong possibility, but I can't say I know for a fact, or I know, or it's impossible. Guys, you can't say that. You have to be able to change your bias. Don't fall in love with your bias. Okay, so let's go to number 2. Number 2, no overtrading. If you're scalping, overtrading, number 1, is going to stress you out. Okay, so let's say that you're buying right here, you're selling right here, you're selling right here, you're buying right here, you get stopped out right here, you went long, you stopped out right here, you're selling right here, you're buying right here, you're just going nuts. Okay, you have to understand, from my experience, I've been doing this for 13 years, the market is not designed to give you 6, 8, 10 winners in a row. So you have to understand, you have to wait for those high quality trades to come up. When I'm trading, guys, I'm like a lion. I'm waiting for the right moment, and then I'm attacking. You have to do the same, because you have to understand, the market is not designed to give you winners after winners after winners. So you wait for those high quality setups, and boom, then you attack, right? I tell my students all the time, you're not a trader, you are a waiter, right? So that's number 2. Let's go to number 3. Number 3, guys, do not trade without a stop loss. This is very, very big. I see a lot of new traders trade without a stop loss, okay? And what's going to happen is eventually you are going to wipe out your whole account, right? So here's a good example. Right here, we have support, 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 okay? So you are saying, all right, support, support, support. I'm going to buy right here. And I'm not going to use no stop loss because, I am strong enough to get out whenever the market goes against me. Okay. And what's going to happen is you're going to have a lot of runs where you get out, right? Let's say that your mental stop is right here. So let's say that your mental stop is right here. Okay. So let's say the price comes to this area right here. You're going to get out. Okay. You're not going to put your stop loss. You're just going to get out. Now, you're going to have a string of winners or a string of trades where you get out. But it's going to be that one trade. And trust me, from experience, I don't know what it is. It's just going to be that one trade. You're just going to snap. And you're going to say, you know what? I'm just going to hold a little bit longer. Right? And price goes against you. Okay? And you're going to say, nah, you know what? I think price is going to bounce back up. Okay? So I'm going to hold a little bit. And then next thing you know, price is going against you again. And you're going to be down so much. Okay? You're going to say to yourself, it doesn't make any sense for me to get out this position because I'm down so much. I'm going to lose so much. So I know this market is going to bounce back. I know it. I know for a fact. Again, going, with that attitude that I know what the market is going to do. And guess what? Keeps going down. You see the little bounce right here. Yes. Market's going to bounce. And guess what? It keeps going down. It keeps going down. And you're like, nah, it has to bounce. And then next thing you know, you wipe out your account, guys. And you have to understand that, it's a strong possibility the market will do something like this. Okay. And you have to be prepared for this. You don't want to wipe out your account with one trade. You have to understand the cash that's in your account are your soldiers. And you are fighting a war every single day when you are trading the markets. So when you lose all your soldiers on one trade, guess what? You lose the war. So don't lose all your soldiers, or AKA all your cash, on one trade. Guys, there are going to be multiple opportunities if you take a loser on one trade. Don't just say, okay, this one trade, it has to work. Guys, don't think like that. Trust me on this one. Please use a stop loss because you are not mentally strong enough to say, you know what, I'm going to get out right here. Okay, so this is number 3. So let's go to number 4. Number 4, don't put too many indicators on your chart. Too many indicators will distract you. When you're scalping, you have to make quick decisions. So right here, you're looking at your Bollinger Bands, you're looking at your RSI, you're looking at your MACDs. Some people even have 3 more indicators on top of these, right? So when you're scalping, you have to understand, you have to make quick decisions. These indicators right here is going to slow you down, right? It's pretty much like information overload. And a lot of beginners, they think that, indicators will help them, become better traders. And it's the opposite, guys. You have to focus on price action first. And if you want to add 1 indicator or even 2, you'll be okay. But focus on price action first. You have to make quick decisions. Stop looking at 5, 6 indicators at once. It's going to slow you down. You're going to miss a lot of trades just because you're looking at so many indicators. Guys, you want your trading to be smooth, right? Only indicator that I like is my indicator. And not just because it's my indicator, it's because it's based on price action. So this indicator right here is based on supply and demand. If you don't know what supply and demand is, just go to my channel and look up supply and demand secrets, and I explain it all. But basically, you're looking for demand, okay? And you're looking for price to come back to these areas right here. And when price comes back to this area, you're looking for a trade, okay? So right here, we have a lovely trade right here, okay, to the upside. And that's what I'm doing every single day, okay? When I'm trading the markets, I'm looking for supply and demand. This indicator will show you. Right now, the market is going up, so we're just looking at demand. But if the market is going down, I can actually turn on supply and look for supply too. And I also can change the color of the candles and so on. And this indicator is very exclusive. I made it from scratch because I trade a certain way. When I trade supply and demand, I had my programmer make this indicator from scratch. So if you want to get this indicator, it actually comes free with my training program. The link is below. All right, so let's go to number 5. Number 5, guys, have a clear plan when you are scalping, okay, or trading in general, because you don't want to say, all right, if price comes to this resistance, you don't want to say, man, should I take a long here or should I just, short it right here? I don't know. I'm not too sure because, yes, a long could actually work pretty good because it looks like the buyers is actually, bringing this market up. But at the same time, sellers could come in. I don't know, man. Should I? You know what? I'm just going to press buy. You don't want to do that, guys. You want to have a clear plan. If price comes into resistance, do I want to sell it? Yes, I want to be a seller. Okay. Step one, do this. Step two, do that. You have to have a clear plan. In order to get a clear plan, you have to back test and have stats that's telling you, listen, your plan, okay, works. And when you trade that plan, you have to become a robot. You can't go against your trading plan. Okay? You can't go against your trading plan. Now, the reason why a lot of new traders can't come up with a good trading plan is because they don't have enough knowledge. They don't know what to look for. This is why it's very, very important to have a mentor. I tell people this all the time. Let go of your ego. Stop letting your ego get in the way. Every professional that I know, I don't care if it's sports, I don't care if it's lawyers, doctors, every single professional that I know, all of them been trained by the best, by a professional, so they can learn what works and what doesn't work. But make sure it's a person that's actually doing this, okay? That's actually making money from the market, and learn from that person, guys. I don't care if you have to pay. Stop being cheap, especially if you have the money. Me personally, I've been trading the markets for 13 years, and guess what? I'm still buying courses. Right now, I'm buying courses on options. I want to learn more about option trading. So I'm not going to learn by myself because I know it's going to take forever. I also know that I don't know what to look for. Like when I do a Google search or a YouTube search, certain things I'm not going to know what to type and search for because I don't know all the terms when it comes to option trading. So don't let your ego get in the way. Get a mentor so they can help you get that clear plan so you know exactly what to do when you are trading the markets. You don't want to say, oh my gosh, is that resistance? I don't know, man. Should I buy? You don't want that, guys. It's going to hurt you when you are scalping. Okay? So let's go to number 6. Number 6, guys. Don't add to a losing trade, guys. This is a big one, right? What's going to happen, right, is you're going to get away with it a couple of times. And the market is very good with teasing you, showing you some profits. Even if you're doing something wrong, it will show you profits. And automatically you, as a trader, as a new trader, you're going to think, oh man, I'm doing something right. Because your P&L is growing, but in reality, you're doing something wrong. Now, here's a good example. Let's say you get in right here, okay? And let's say that your target is right here. Okay, let's say you want to get out around here. Okay? You get in right here, the market goes against you, you add on. Okay? It goes against you again, you add on some more. So the market's going up, and next thing you know, boom. You get out, nice winner, okay? No harm, everything is good. We going home with some profits, right? But let me show you guys another example. Okay, so we have resistance right here. Okay, resistance, okay? Let's say that you say, you know what? I went short right here, got some profits, right? Market didn't go against me. You know what? I'm going to go short once again when it comes back to this resistance, okay? I know this area right here looks very good every time the market comes to this area, okay? So I'm going to go short right here, all right? All right, so go short right there. Boom, the market goes up. You know what? I'm just going to add some more. You know what? I don't think the market's going to go up that high. So, oh, shoot, it's going up some more. You know what? I'm just going to add some more right here. We should be good. Overall, the market still looks weak, so let's just keep going. Okay. Oh my gosh, come on, please. Oh man, you know what? I'm just going to add some more. Okay, let's go. Oh shoot. All right, yeah, the market's going down. Yes. Oh shoot. Should I get out? Man, you know, I'm just adding one more. I'm all right. I'm gonna add some more right here. Oh my gosh. Oh man, what I'm gonna tell my wife? Oh my gosh. Guys and girls, please do not add to a losing position, guys, right? This is why you have to have a stop loss and get out. Learn how to cut your losers quick, especially when it comes to scalping. You don't want to make this a thing where you lose all your money on one trade. No, guys. Trading is about multiple trades. You have to understand. It's about multiple trades. Forget about that one trade. Who cares you took a loss on one trade, guys? It's just one trade. That's it. So don't focus on one trade. Don't add to a loser, okay? And make sure you follow your rules. So let's go to the last one, number 7. No distractions, okay? So if you're scalping, you don't have time to look at Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, guys, because you're going to miss out on a trade. Let's say that you see the market going up, you want to take a long, okay? And you see the market consolidating right here. And you're saying to yourself, if the market breaks out of this, I'm going to take this breakout, okay? So you look at this, and next thing you know, okay, either somebody's texting you or you get an alert on Instagram, and you start to look at Instagram and you're looking at this hot chick, or you're on YouTube or Facebook, and then you look up and then the market pops up. Okay, so let's say you're right here and the market starts to pop up and you're looking at this like, oh my gosh, I can't believe I missed this big move. That's money, guys. That's money in your pocket. And you missed out because you want to be on Instagram, you want to be on Facebook, you want to be on YouTube. That's no good, guys. So please, no distractions. Guys, this is it. This is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys got some value out of this video. If so, hit that like button, guys. Hit that subscribe button. Follow me on Instagram. Join my free Telegram group. Watch more videos on my channel. Join my private group, especially if you want to become a full-time trader. I will help you with that. Share this video. Again, like, subscribe, and comment below because I tried to answer all you guys' questions. Thanks a lot again for watching this video and have a great day.